Question 5. How many of the statements in the box are true? This is a question where we've got to work through each one to prove whether it's right or wrong, whether it's true or false. Any number which is divisible by 6 is even. 6 has got a factor of 2, therefore this is correct. Any number which is divisible by 9 is odd. See if you can find an example to disprove this one. And therefore this is false. The sum of any two odd numbers is even. The sum of two odd numbers or two even numbers is actually always going to be even. Therefore this is true. And therefore this is, you've got two even numbers, they are never going to be odd. Therefore this is false. And the answer that says two of them are true, that's what we're asking for. How many are true, but how many are false? As I say, 2 is the answer.